everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here, and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. And so just subscribe the I can see my channel and getting more videos like this. So today I'm here with an interesting personality, Lakshmi ma'am. So I would like to give chance to Lakshmi ma'am for give introduction about herself so you people know her better. So Lakshmi ma'am, please.
Okay, thanks for giving opportunity, Ashu, and many thanks for welcome here. And like now, my name is Lakshmi. I'm from AP, Andhra Pradesh. Like live in a district is like Guntur district, and I got married. Like now, just I'm a homemaker present. I'm not doing anything because of COVID-19. I lost that opportunity as a teacher. My husband is doing private job, and I have a kid, and he's like no going. He's staying at home nowadays. He has no school. Okay, then yeah, I'm a teacher.
Okay, that's great to listen about you. And just you said, Lakshmi ma'am, you're not doing anything, but I think according to me, you are doing a lot. And of course, you are doing wonderful things. You're working over the English communication skills. It's a lot for us. So let me introduce myself as well, little bit. So it will be, I think, better for everyone. So this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here. As well, guys, I'm a student now. I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree. Right now, I'm a student of second year of my degree. So it's all about me. And thank you. So now I would like to start this session, Lakshmi ma'am. I would like to ask few questions regarding your life, regarding this kind of journey, and regarding this kind of English communication skills. So are you
Yeah.
ready for that?
Yeah, all right, all right. Sure,
Okay.
definitely.
So now the first question I would like to ask to you, Lakshmi ma'am, what do you think about like English communication skills and which kind of things are really important for it? If we are gonna, if we want to become a good English communicator, what do you think? Which kind of things are playing vital role in this journey?
Yeah, obviously, like any language, and then we have to like learn four things, four skills, like LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Whoever follows the like listening, reading, and writing automatically from the three skills, we will get speaking skills. In these four skills, most of the places, like in, speaking plays vital role. Not only English like this, but also any language we want. Whenever we want to practice, then no, any language we will practice through speaking. Without practicing, we can't develop, we can't produce, like we can't use in a like a productive way. Our like no time is like a valuable time. We have to use in a productive way and a fruitful way. Then only we can practice more. One day, definitely, we'll become a great speakers. It will take a lot of
Okay.
time. It will take a lot of time. Why? Because of it's not our mother tongue. It's an amicable and friendly language. It can attach very easily, but no, without practice we can't achieve. We have to do practice.
Okay, at least I think after listening your answer and wonderful answer, I came to know about it. We have to work over the four skills that are
Yeah.
about like listening, speaking, writing, and reading of any language. Just we are
Yeah.
going to connect to each other on the basis of English language. So we have to follow this kind of things in its English language. And after that, we have to speak more because we want to become a speaker. So we have to do the speaking more and more to becoming the better speaker. Whatever you said, it is exactly right according to me. Thank you. Now I'm moving towards the another question. According to you, when you started your journey, and when you started exactly your journey, and what you enjoyed about it, what was the most I think important moments for you in this journey about English speaking skills?
Okay. Just I started, like before I used to start, Buddy Talk app. I started 2017 onwards. At that time, like I want to do job, but no, just I like wandered a lot of schools. I went to a lot of schools, and they simply just said to me, "You have no communication skills, and you have no subject knowledge, like that. You have no any special English, or like no special degree like that." Then after I thought it, okay, I will do like MA literature, and I want to make my like fluence in English language. I thought it like that, and I took a decision. Then I joined MA English, and I started 2017 onwards. Then I used Buddy Talk. At that time, like just I continuously, 1 or 2 months, I continuously practiced to the tab. After that, just again my sense like a first semester like STEM wise system. I got like I have that exams. Then because of that exams, just I like no I didn't use that app. After again, no 1 or 2 months after again I started using that app. Again, my journey, no, just going on like that. Whenever I just recently, and I think September month onwards, I started using Hello application. In that Hello application, a lot of teachers are there. Like, no, they are doing live streams, and from that live streams, I learned a lot. And I'm practicing just last no like in that sorry, lockdown started last year. Lockdown started at the time onwards, I joined in a WhatsApp groups. Really, at the time onwards, just I practiced maximum minimum 1 hour, maximum 3 hours. I practiced a lot. Then I got that confidence, yeah, my without no practice, we forget that language. Why? Because of it's not our mother tongue. For that, we have to do practice, practice, practice. I also faced, starting. I also faced a lot of problems, but by practicing myself, just I got that a confidence. Oh God, okay, I can able to speak.
Oh, that's really wonderful. Now you are really confident about speaking. Of course, I can understand that. Of course, you're giving answer in a very well manner. That's really wonderful. And just yeah, of course. So I listened about your journey, and that was really wonderful. Just you are working, I think, from the last few years, and just you started working a lot from this lockdown. And of course, so I can say that pandemic is little bit better for us to learn something new, and we started a journey in this pandemic time, and we are learning more things. Even in the same point of time, I started my journey, and now I started making videos like this. So I'm really
Uh,
happy with my journey as well, Lakshmi ma'am. So and after that, now I would like to ask, so what you think, whatever just you used in the past like platforms, so which kind of platforms you would like to suggest to the people if they want to enhance their communication skills, English communication skills especially. So, which kind of platforms you will suggest to them, and
okay.
what you have and what was the better? Yeah.
Okay. Before I used it to Buddy Talk, but now it is not working. Then it's not visible in Play Store itself. But now I am using Hello application instead of that. Hello application. Like I'm using WhatsApp groups. Or I have a lot of friends. So I'm practicing with them. And after that, Cambly, some apps are there. Cambly, some other apps are also there. But they are paying apps. Without money, they don't want to allow to participate in that using the speaking with the people. Free apps are more, just nowadays I'm using Hello application. It's a free app, free of cost. There is no money. No need to pay money. Then for me, Hello application is nowadays Hello application is going well. Free app, free of cost. It's free of cost. That is the reason it's going well.
Yeah, Fruit. So you would like to suggest to the people to just use Halo application that is a better facilities for us without paying money for it. Yeah, of course. I want to tell you as well. I was also using that application. I used to use that application. I used that application consistently 5 months. Yeah, of course.
Uh,
I know about it, and that is really better, I think, platform. So I would like to tell you the watchers, if you are just thinking to start your journey, just start following Halo application and try to use that. It's gonna make you better. So now I'm coming with another question. So ma'am, I would like to ask some another question about English like that. So just you told me a lot about this journey. So but what you think about the creation of WhatsApp groups? And just which kind of WhatsApp groups, I think they have rules and regulations and some kind of really restrictions, and they are telling a lot of things, and they are sending some kind of useful content for us as well. So I think this is the better option for the people to join if they have the conversational English. I think you're agree with me or not?
yeah, it's a better. Why? Because of we will use for example, we are using Hello application. It's a no net balance, no lots of echoing and lots of problem, lots of bugs are there. We can't adjust and we can't take it no. It's a net consuming app. It takes a lot of net. If Wi-Fi is there, it's no problem. If Wi-Fi is not there, it's no very hard to use that app. Other than WhatsApp, you will use WhatsApp. Just simply we'll just drop the message and people will contact you. We will practice with the people. Just it's a simple thing, by just face to face, not face to just contact. Contacting people is a good thing. There is no disturbance to no speak with that people. There is no disturbance no conversation with that people. No disturbance. There is no use of net and everything. Just call. We call it and we will talk. We will practice with that people.
Yeah, it's totally free. It just there's a no need to waste your I think minutes as well. Just you have to put your number and you will get a lot more calls there and you can attend and you can talk to the people. That's really awesome. And now this the people they started some kind of video groups as well. So of course I'm just really happy with them because they are just giving chance to us to talk to on the video basis and we can connect to each other. There are approximately more than 100 and more than 150 partners who wants to connect with each other on the video basis. That is also the beautiful, I can say, that idea created and this website groups created by the people. I'm really happy with them as well. So I'm really appreciating that kind of group admins who are doing this kind of things. I'm really thankful for them because due to them and due to every people like you and another partners as well, I'm here and I'm able to connect with you. So it's my, I can say that, I can say the pleasure as well. So of course, now I ask a lot more question. So now you can suggest Lakshmi on something I think interesting about your journey. What was the like the funniest and hilarious moment in your journey when you started? Like that, whenever we are going to start a journey, we aren't able to understand that much English. I'm going to share something about my journey. When I started, at that time, the I think I connected with a person randomly, and he asked to me like that. He asked, "What do you do for your living?" And I was shocked. What do you do? I'm doing for my living. I'm just eating food for my living. Okay. I was thinking this should be the answer, of course, but this wasn't. Okay. So after that, literally, I came to know about it. When the person is asking, "What do you do for your, I think, living?" We have to tell about our profession. Like that, if you're working as a teacher, of course, is your, I think, profession. The thing. So this kind of movements or things can you the thing first, and kind of movement and the funniest movement you want to say like that related to your beginning and initial stage when you started.
Yeah, exactly. So I have also some funny moments, like whenever I started using Buddytalk app, at that like those people asked to me, no, just you want to like no conversation like seriously or are you talk with like a funny talk? We will discuss like that. Okay, just I thought it like I said to them, okay, please don't talk in a funny talk or like I'm using my investing, like I'm investing my valuable time. Okay, just I'm here for practicing. Please, I want to practice with the people. I want to know the cultures. I want to know the like no advanced language, advanced grammar and advanced vocab and everything. No, just I'm here like for practicing. Just please, like don't ask something, like extra things. They're asking, like some video calls or something, like make a conversation funny way, in a funny way, but I don't like to the to talk like that. Just I said simply said like that,
Oh,
okay,
yes.
I have no
You would
interest.
like to learn this language sincerely. Just you would like to put your time in a really productive manner and you want to utilize it a lot, right?
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
Yeah, I'm totally agree with you, and of course, I'm really happy to listen that because you are a sincere learner of this English language. And of course, I think in this pandemic like that, you are suffering. I know very well. So, but according to just right now, you can speak better and just you have the better communication skills. So, what you are expecting in the future due to this kind of skills, which kind of better things you can get in your future? I think so. I want to know this kind of things. What you
Uh,
are expecting from yourself and because now you can speak better and it is really demanding if you're going anywhere the people they are demanding english communication skills so which kind of better things after covid I'm not asking about this pandemic because in this pandemic it's really tough to go out so after this pandemic what you are expecting from yourself on the basis of this english communication skills.
Yeah, on the basis of English communication skills, I am expecting like I want to become like no good teacher. Yeah, first of all, like for that, I want to know like a better speaker. I want to become a better speaker, like no, or very like professional speaker. At least professional speakers means like we have to get that like no more advanced idioms, advanced vocab, and like phrases. Some of you we have to learn some of phrases. Like I want to learn eagerly. Like we are using like daily routine words like a good, sorry, no, how are you, like that. Like I want to like you. I don't want to use that words instead of that good and sorry. Like how are you, like that. I want to use different words and new words.
That's
Yeah,
really awesome.
yeah, like
This
that.
is your
Actually,
curiosity, and of
yeah,
course, I'm just
actually, like
unleashing
we
this
are.
curiosity. You have this kind of passion at this age, and just you
Yeah.
want to learn a lot more fancy words and lot more phrases and idioms. That's really awesome to listen. I'm really
I,
over the moon now to after listening this kind of views, and I'm getting a lot more energy to do something better. And because what I was thinking, whatever I have to speak, I have to speak as much as simple I can. Yeah, of course, but we can learn a lot more vocabulary to understand to the people, and of course, because it is a kind of fascinating and fancy words are looking so fancy, and it is
yeah.
making your, I can say, personality really advanced. I'm really agree with you.
Yeah.
So, yeah, Lakshmi ma'am, now it's time to conclude our conversation. Already we have completed approximately, I think, 15 minutes. So I'm really happy with this wonderful conversation, and I'm really sorry about it. In the future, also, we will do this kind of discussions. So thank you, and many, many thanks to you for joining me.
Yeah, thank you. Many thanks for giving opportunity. Okay, and all the best, Ashu. Okay, and
Yes, please.
have a great to you. Yeah, have a great to all.
Okay, so,
Thank you.
so okay, bye bye. Take care, Lakshmi
Bye.
ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Bye, bye. Take care.